Right guys, welcome to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect your remote control to your Hisense TV. Okay, so thing number one, what you need to do is you need to find the settings on your Hisense TV. So we're going to the left, we're finding the settings right here. We click on that, you need to go down to find the connection. Then in connection, going down once again to this Bluetooth. What you want to do here is you want to turn on the Bluetooth. Okay, now I'm turning it off to show you how it's done, and now I'm turning it on. Okay, it doesn't want to do right away because now our remote control does not work, but then it turns off back on. Okay, so what we want to do next is to turn on this remote control auto pairing, which will mean as long as we have our Bluetooth on and our remote control auto pairing on, the remote control will be connecting automatically. Okay, even if it's a new remote control that got close into the area of your TV that does not have any other remote control connected to it. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.